Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix due to repeat failed attempts or other usual activity your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Which means if you see this kind of error in your Snapchat account, then how you can fix that. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page. There are many reasons for that. One of the reason is maybe you have entered incorrect username or password. But if you have entered correct email or password and you see this kind of error, then what you have to do, the first thing you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the app, and after that you have to simply go to app info. If you are iPhone or iOS user, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and find the Snapchat, and you have to simply offload the app. And here you have to do, first thing you have to do is you have to force stop the app, and here you have to simply clear the cache. The next thing you have to do is you have to simply search for open the Play Store, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat, and after that you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your app, and if there is not showing any kind of update, then the next step you have to do is you have to simply open Chrome or any kind of browser you have, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport, and here you have to wait for some second, and here you have to simply click on Snapchat Sport, and here you have to simply search for account temporarily disabled, and you have to search for that statement. And as you can see here, you will find many options. The one option is my account is temporarily disabled, and here you have to simply search for my account has been temporarily disabled, and here you have to simply click on contact our support team here, and after that a new kind of interface will be appear here, and here you have to simply search for some settings. The first one is I need help, and here you have to simply click on my account was compromised, and here you have to simply click on username, and you have to provide here your username, your mobile address, email, and moreover here you have to simply explain the problem to Snapchat team, that what is the problem you are having. And here you can simply explain, hello Snapchat team, I have the problem of Snapchat account temporarily disabled. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. And after that, you will get an email from the Snapchat team that how they can help you, and you can tell them in detail. And after that, they will solve your problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.